We got the best clearance deals. We got the top buy one get one free deals at the Home Depot. Yes, this is a really small Home Depot. This is actually one of the smaller ones I've been to. It's very unique. It only has two doors. It has a lumber yard and an entrance. That's it. That's all it has. Anyways, we still got these mowers. Also, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, so we can make more to review videos, and you guys won't miss any of the deals. Yes, we had some crazy deals in the past. All right, on to the deals that we got at this store. This is $5.49. This is the Toro 60 volts. Does come with battery and charger already in that, so a pretty good deal on that. $115 down from $229. This is Gen 2 chainsaw. Two only 40 volt Ryobis. So that's, there you go. Pretty strong stuff, the 40 volts. So, all right. So, and talking about Milwaukee, this is a really good deal, and I'm expecting this to go down even lower. So 176 from 249 is a brushless trimmer kit. Does include a 6 amp hour battery. You guys know that 6 amp hour battery is worth just about that much. And talking about something different that I've never seen before, we got chains, guys, for your chainsaw. I guess Home Depot's clearancing all these out. I'm not going to go over all of them because it'll take hours. And I'm just going to go over some here. They got all kinds of sizes from 8-inch, 12-inch, and 20-inch, 18-inch. So they got a whole bunch of sizes. If you guys are looking to get some spares for your chainsaw, now is the time. Check this out, even a 14-inch here. So, yep. And like I said, I'm not going to show all of them because... Alright, clearance section. This is a 3 tool here for $6.90. There was $16.97. It's a 3-piece set. You got some gloves. This is a dipped gloves, $14. You got some hitches here, drop hitch. You got a drop and a rise, standard 5.3 by 1. And talking about Milwaukee vacuums, so we got some accessories here. Really nice accessories. I personally do use the brushes on these to get the dirt loose and all that. And then you got the Baja Road collection here. Now these are really nice hitches here, and they are $15 down from $59. So killer deal on this one. I was gonna pick one up, but because I didn't want to carry this thing all over the store, and I forgot to go back and get it. So next week, hopefully, I'll find one of those in there. All right, so $33. This is a Husky extension cord. It is a 12 gauge, so one of the best ones to get. You know, pretty much the balance there for power tools and all that stuff. You got the brushless compact router. This is $136 down from $169. There's a whole bunch of clearance items on Ryobi and Rigid. And then you got the Milwaukee t-shirts here. Large, you got a utility knife here, Husky. $10 down from $12.97. So not bad. Got a lithium ion 2-pack of 2 amp hour batteries for $99. So basically $50 a piece for Rigid. Not too bad. You got some Ryobi SDS Plus from 105 down from 149. Expect lower prices on these soon. XR 139 down from 179, and I did see this at the Lopes as well, so be on the lookout on that one. So 239 down from 299. This is the ratchet and the impact wrench. You got the vacuum. This is the fuel vacuum for 199. I'm pretty sure they're going to drop down even lower if they're going to keep them here. You got the radiator for 112. This is a Bluetooth from Rigid. And yes, guys, the air conditionings are going on clearance, at least here on the hotter. Alright, it's something that got sold out. This is a misting fan. This is a really nice misting fan, but it's already sold out. And then we got this cooler, evap cooler for $186 down from $249. So guys, like I said, be on the lookout for those clearance prices. A lot of them are gonna drop even lower. Alright, so $39.88 for the 2-pack of 300 lumen. 325 lumen for $29.97. It was $39. You got a hard hat for $21. High visibility vest, $14.97, and some gloves there, some dip gloves. This is a 450 lumen lamp, headlamp, and then you got a 300 magnetic floodlight. It's pretty nice. You got a job plier set, straight job plier set, $24. $14.97 for the straight cutting aviation snips, and 4-piece precision screwdrivers. These are really nice precision screwdrivers. I just wish they came in that case because those are really small. You'll lose them. You got the fastbacks there for $10.97. That's not bad. I'll definitely jump on that one. I know I'm waiting for the holidays to on these deals because they might be even lower. So if you don't need them, make sure you guys wait for the holiday deals. These masks, I would not recommend these masks at all, unless you're doing like dusting or stuff like that, you know, or just cleaning. But for harsh materials like, you know, like pretty much like demolition or whatever, then that's gonna, I don't know, I'll just get something better. Alright, so you got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the top deals on the left, you get a free battery. So these are hackable deals. The single tool, the 199 tool comes down to around $130. So definitely check that out after the hack. $129 for a 2-pack of 3 amp hour batteries. Got an angle grinder there. 2-pack of 6 amp hour batteries. I would definitely go for that. Comes down to $125 a piece. So that's pretty dang good deal on that one, if you need some batteries. But however, if you guys wait for the holidays, I keep saying wait for the holidays, wait for November. Make sure you guys stay tuned and stay subscribed, because when those deals pop up, let me tell you, they do sell out. Anyways, alright, so you got $79 for a 2-pack of batteries. My favorite safety glasses, fog free, and they are the clear or the tinted. I personally like wear the tinted. I'm working outside all the time under the sun. So, and for those of you that work indoors, you got the clear there. You got a compact spot blower, $99, and all these tools do qualify for the buy one get one free. Keep that in mind, especially that USB charging pack out lights. Definitely go for that one. That crown stapler is pretty good too. So, you know, this is $149. We'll get you. This is the lower tier. We'll get you a free tool. Definitely the pack out lights is the best one to get with this deal, and the best one to get is the rocket lights and the pump. So this is the higher tier, buy one get one free. So you buy basically the battery pack and get a free tool. And these are some more tools that do qualify for the buy one get one free. Like I said, definitely this rocket light. I'll definitely recommend this rocket light, the ratchet. All these tools, the die grinder. Yeah, the rocket light. Definitely go for the rocket light. And then another one is the pump here. So if you guys do, you know, obviously some meter box work or whatever, this is a great something to have. I actually needed this about a month and a half ago on a big project I did, but didn't have it. Alright, so these are the new tools. These are buy one get one free. These are the compact series. I know I went a little bit too fast, but yeah, it's a buy one get one free. Got some good deals. However, this impact wrench was buy one get one free before. I don't know if they're still doing this or not. Let us know in the comment section if they're still doing that, because if they're buying a buy one get one free, then that's a pretty good deal. Get those sockets for free. But just like this, it's not a good deal. Alright, so buy one get one free. Talking about free, you got $199. You got a starter kit, get a free light. So definitely the rover light is my favorite, the first one. Another buy one get one free, $249. The starter kit with the trimmer kit or the pruning shears, get you a free battery. These are hackable deals. Obviously, hackable means that you can return the battery or the unwanted tool and keep the other one at the discounted price. You got the lithium ion brushless for $150, guys, from $299. Talking about hacks, guys, these are crazy deals. I definitely recommend all these deals, especially that pack out vacuum. I do have it, that high torque impact wrench, the reciprocating saw, super saw there. Definitely check those out. Some clearance deals here for Ryobi. I would definitely wait on these guys. Usually Ryobi days and the holiday seasons around the corner. Not unless you see a crazy deal that you can't resist, then obviously pick it up. Or if you need a drill driver, impact driver, obviously that 136 will get you the job done. 109 down from 139 on this one. This is brushless. And then yeah, my favorite box, budget box here for the Pro. This is definitely my choice of a box this time of year. So if you guys can find this at the stores, definitely recommend these guys. That's it. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.